Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the data saver trick on your Android devices, how you can use less data on Android. So in here, I've already on my Android device, and to use less data, you can just enable the data saver feature. So let's just go to the settings, and in here find the network and internet options. This one's right here, and you'll easily spot the data saver. So it's currently off. You can just click on the options to turn it on. You can just click on this circles right here. So by enabling the data saver, it will help reduce the data usage. Data saver prevents some apps from sending or receiving data in the background, and the apps you're currently using can access data but may do so less frequently. This may mean, for example, that images don't display until you tap them. So if you want to save your mobile data, you can enable this feature. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.